The Renaissance. What does it mean to be born again, literally? Il Rinascimento in Italian. A period of cultural production, political changes, economic movement that revolutionized Europe, but not only Europe, the rest of the world, because with the Renaissance began the expansion of Europe, the process of colonization that directly affected Africa, Asia, and the newly discovered world, America. We're going to refer today to basically some general features of the Renaissance. What does it mean? When did it happen? When it started? Who are the main figures, the most important representatives? Why we still, for example, enjoy a painting by Leonardo, a sculpture by Bernini, or a work by Erasmus. 500 years later, we still go back to these masters of the word and the color in order to find inspiration and reaffirm some of our values, because after all, the Renaissance, we could say, is the beginning of the modern era. Poetry, drama, wonderful writers like Petrarch, Garcilaso, Shakespeare, philosophers who follow the paths of the Neoplatonics and the Neo-Scholastics, thinkers, religious and political thinkers like Luther, Erasmus, Machiavelli, all of them debating, writing, participating in the political affairs of the 16th century, and the consequences of this expansion of the European mind, which is the process of exploration, occupation, and exploitation of other continents. Europeans reconfigured their identity. They started to compare themselves not only with the known others, the Asians and the Africans, but also with the Amerindians. And that created a new world order, not only in the economic sense, an order that still affects today the so-called third world, but also a mental order, a hierarchy, a bias that European culture, European thought is superior. This is something that we're going to talk about, and our task as humanists is precisely to question those principles.